In this video, I will show how to use Microsoft Office online for Google Chrome. So type here Office online. Now click on this first result, free Microsoft 365 online. Firstly, sign up for free. If you have already Microsoft account, so click on sign in. Now here you will see this Office program like Word, Excel. You can access anywhere in the world. You can use anywhere. Just log in your account in Google Chrome. You can create, organize, and collaborate all in one place for free. With Microsoft 365, you can create and safely store your files in the cloud. And also, guys, if you upgrade, so you will get the premium benefits like 1 TB plus of OneDrive cloud storage, premium desktop version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can compare planning here. This is the basic personal and family plan. You can see the include apps in basic, Outlook and cloud. And if you get the personal plan, so you will get these all applications. But if you are sure you want to use freely, so just click on apps and you can use any application. These all applications you can freely online version like Word. You can create or you can use the template. It's a need internet connection. This is the not offline. So we can open the Excel. Almost you will get the options in Microsoft Word online and also in the Excel. All useful features will available freely. So thanks for watching and comment in this video useful for you.